This is an overview of the working prototype of the motor speed controller box cover and the controller box cover that is for the Mini Mill motor upgrade kit. The unit consists of this cover for the motor speed controller, which contains two cable enclosure cords. One takes the Hall and power cords from the motor controller to the motor, and the other takes the speed controller cables plus some power from the motor speed controller box to the speed control box over here. The unit is powered by an ordinary computer type cable, so we'll plug it in. And it plugs in right underneath, down here. And then there's a power on button here. That's power off. You see the display goes away. That's power on. The speed controller box contains both a emergency stop switch and the potentiometer that controls the speed, plus a power on LED here. So if I turn the power off, you'll see that LED turn off, and I turn the power back on and it turns back on again. And then the potentiometer is the type that contains an on-off switch. So if you listen to the click, it's now on, and now I can control the speed from here. Taking a closer look at the speed control box, as we said before, there's a power on indicator LED here, and if I turn the power off, that goes away, and then you can see that power is on. Here is the potentiometer. Click on, turn it, speed it up, turn it down, click off. Also, if it's on and you have a problem, then you can stop it quickly with the emergency stop switch. Now we'll take a closer look at the motor speed controller box cover and the various aspects of it and why it was designed the way it is. Here you can see the cover that comes right up to about here. You can see the display, but it is hiding all of the electrical connections so that the end users don't have to worry about it. As we said before, there's an on-off switch here, so if I turn it off, the display goes away, turn it on, and I know I have power. That also will light up the LED on the speed controller box, but we're right now concerned on the motor speed controller unit. Key to this whole thing is to make it simple for the end user to mount it and to hide all of this complexity from them. So this thing slides on and off quite easily. I'll turn it off. We're now looking at the back of the Mini Mill, and this can slide right off like this. So there is the controller box cover. Key to making this work is this mechanism up here, which just consists of a couple of square steel tubes, one of which has been slotted out here so that there's a little lip there, and then the other one has a small lip on the bottom, and they interlock actually like so. This would be like that, and this would be like that, and they go and hook together like that. So if I take this off, you will see that the standard motor controller box that comes with the Mini Mill is mounted with 4 screws here and here. And what we do is we take it off, we use the same screws, and we mount that unit there, that crack it there like that. And then this one simply holds the, supports the weight of the motor controller box. And then we have this other steel tube that has been slotted out. And you simply take it like this and slide it across. And there, it's very simple for the end user to put on.